Now I picked the Eager Nordman track because it's great. It's got a lot of turns. It's got that one straightaway. It's a great course to show braking and handling and acceleration, which not many of the other courses do very well. So I'll show you it around the track. What I said before, understeers just a little bit, but it is manageable. Braking is great before the turns. You know, braking, look out. Great braking. Great speed through the turns. Doesn't understeer right now. Going slow. Low end torque, pushing in. About 3,000 RPMs. Going 40 around this turn, doing a good job of it. Perfect entry. Perfect exit. It's just a fast car. No understeer, no understeer. None at all. A little bit of understeer. You gotta slow it down just a little bit. Powers through nicely. High torque band, it's a great car. The understeer is manageable. It doesn't lose much speed through the turns as most other cars do. It just keeps that steady band, keeps that, you know, steady pace. It's a great car, incredible car actually. I love it. Little bit of understeer again, but it's so manageable. It just keeps off the corners. It's great.